Hi! All them professional YouTubers always do unboxings when people send them stuff. And I've actually had people send me stuff. So I guess I'm doing an unboxing. Two boxes and a cat. You gonna get down? You happy up there? Alright, so this first box here was sent to me by a good friend of mine named Stefan Lee. He is another YouTuber. We've done a collaboration video, although he never released it. So Stefan makes Let's Play videos, and he's awesome. He's one of those smaller YouTubers that deserves more views than he gets. And as a thank you for doing a Let's Play with him, he told me he'd send me tea. What an awesome guy. I would have done that for nothing, man. Thank you. Let's open this and drink some tea. Okay, we're gonna unbox it down here for some reason. Stefan, you are freaking an awesome person, and I just want you to know how much I value this and how, like, awesome this feels. But it's freaking cool of you to do this. So this greeted me on the top. If you can read there. Oh, there's a note too. I'm gonna have to grab that. If you can't read it, it says, "What in heaven's name do we have here, good boy?" From your friend in the Highlands, Stefan Lee. Dude, thank you. I'm gonna have to figure out something good to send you. I honestly will do that. Maybe I'll send you my cat. So we got some Scottish blend right there, specially blended for Scottish water. Well, that's not gonna go well for me. I'm just gonna have to try it. I have some Yorkshire tea. I wonder if it's specially blended for Yorkshire water. We have some tea from the Salvation Army. That's interesting. Bags of kindness. Ah! You know I'm a sucker for kindness. Then we have this big guy, which looks really fancy. All right, so we got all these tea choices from our main man. Oh wait, and a freaking flag. And a note and everything. This is awesome. This is overwhelming. Thank you so much, dude. I think, based solely on packaging, I'm gonna try the Thompsons first. Now the big box was sent to me by my brother and sister-in-law, and it's a challenge, but I'm not gonna talk about it. I'm gonna let them describe it to you.
I'm Will's brother, Zach.
I'm Laura. This is Dakota.
This is Dakota, and this is the If You Willem Christmas Challenge.
Holiday challenge?
Okay.
Holiday challenge.
Holiday challenge. Okay.
We are at Home Depot, and we are gonna buy a bunch of stuff, and then Willem has to use it to make something.
Challenge!
No. We're not gonna be able to ship that.
Where are we going?
PetSmart.
Why? We got everything.
He has a cat.
Okay. They'll fit through the tube. What kind do you think the cat likes? Okay.
Here's the deal. There are at least 15 different kinds of things in this box.
Ish, we didn't count.
Yeah. And you have to use
Every single one.
I think that's a bit extreme.
Why are you being so nice to him? You must use one of every kind of thing except for one kind of thing which you may veto and then you don't have to use.
Dakota can't wait to see what you make. We'll see you later.
Wills.
Like,
Oh,
Will, you see what I did there?
If you Willem.
All right, now the big boy. So this, we already saw some of what is in that video. So if you have any suggestions for what you think I should make, let me know. And I don't know. I might use her suggestions. No guarantees, though. All right. What the? All right. We got a broom top. We got a spiral placement scratch pads. We got some duct tape, clear piping. We got 2 gardener's gloves, rope. We got a shitload of PVC elbows. Oh, even more PVC elbows. That's good. I wouldn't want to run out of those. Oh, that's good. Even more PVC. Oh no, these are straight through. Okay, they aren't elbows. Paint chips. Okay. Got a plunger top, a second plunger top in case the first plunger top breaks, a bunch of brass fittings, a bunch of cat toys. Yay. A lot of PVC pipes, and some cat snacks. Oh wait, also a number 9 and a number 6. What the fuck are we gonna make with this? Well, that's it. We open the boxes. I have no idea what I'm gonna make, and I have tea. So until I see you next time, leave me comments on what the heck I should make. Like, comment, and subscribe because this stuff takes freaking forever. And yeah, I'll see you then.
If you Willem.